Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, these showers here, they're mainly virgin. It's rain that's falling and evaporating before it reaches the ground because the lower atmosphere is so dry today. And there's some moisture trying to get in here from the Gulf. Notice a few little showers coming into Texas here, but we've had high pressure, surface high pressure over Alabama today that's kind of shunted a lot of the moisture west and cut off the Gulf somewhat. But there is some instability and moisture starting to feed in, at least marginally, into parts of central and northern Illinois. And I do think as the evening goes on, there will be a cluster of scattered storms that will form up right in this area. They will move eastward. They will affect us overnight. One or two may have some hail, 3/4, 1 inch in diameter. That would be about it. And then along the actual cold front, a little broken line of storms. That'll come through overnight. That may have a strong gust or two with it. But, if we had more moisture and instability, this would be a much bigger event because that storm is strong in Iowa. It's lifting to the northeast. And then we have the cold core upper level system here in Colorado that will dump up to 8 inches of snow. That will bring rain to the area tomorrow afternoon. And then all this speckly action up here in Montana, that's very cold air aloft in the atmosphere and very low freezing levels. And that chunk will arrive into the plains and Midwest and bring a few little showers to the area, perhaps even a little sleet or a flake or two later on in the week. In the meantime, it's nice and warm today. We had a high of 75 here at the station. It's now 72 at the Clouds. 71 at Logansport, and it's 75 at Perry Zone. Winds, of course, been gusting 30 to 35 generally. We had a peak gust of 37 miles an hour at Benton Central High School. A couple showers at 9. A few more scattered showers, perhaps a thunderstorm at 11. More widespread scattered storm action overnight. We're going to be down to 63 at 11 o'clock. Again, isolated severe threat overnight tonight. And after a break tomorrow morning, afternoon rain, falling temperatures into the 40s and kind of chilly to end the week with a few showers, perhaps even a couple sleet pellets or a couple snowflakes. Mid to upper 50s will be the low temperature tonight, but these will pretty much be the highs tomorrow. We may rise maybe 1 or 2 degrees from this, then fall into the upper 40s in the afternoon as a wave of rain comes in. Scattered storms and then maybe a broken line of storms overnight. Isolated severe, dry tomorrow morning. Then there's that wave of rain that will pass through. Still some rain around even into tomorrow night. And there are a couple of the showers into Thursday with sharply colder temperatures. Isolated severe viewing area wide for the overnight hours tonight. And then tomorrow, we got that other little wave of rain to come in, and the rain will add up between about a half and perhaps 1 inch of rainfall. This is raincast tonight into Thursday, about 6/10 Lafayette, 4,200s projected for Rensselaer, and nearing an inch towards Tipton, about 6,200s projected at Petersburg. So after it cools off into the 40s and we'll get some overnight lows into the upper 20s to around 30, we are back into the 60s next week. And Jeff, it does look like we could have quite a bit of warm weather in early November. We may even see some 70s again and some storms, so it's not over yet.
Yeah, you've got that hard frost there in the forecast, though. It's a good thing that Coats for Kids drive is underway
definitely.
right now until Sunday.
It's coming.
Yep, it is.